Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I'm excited to share with you Potomac Bead's new Best Bead Box Treasure Edition. So they have reworked their bead boxes after reaching out to their community, asking, what people would like to see in their best bead boxes. And this Treasure Edition replaces the Best Bead Box. And they also have a Kit Edition, which replaces the Bead Box XL. Okay, so we're going to just talk about the Treasure Edition, and I'll give you a little, just some info on it, and then we'll open it up. So you're going to get a collection of 10 to 20 products that meet the quality standards of Potomac beads. You're going to get check glass, crystals, pearls, gemstones, seed beads, metal beads, and findings. There are also some products exclusive to subscribers and not available on PotomacBeads.com, so you're going to get some special beads here. New products to Potomac Beads before they're available on PotomacBeads.com. So you get a little, some perks here. You'll get beginner-friendly materials and more complex beads and findings for more complex techniques such as bead weaving or bead embroidery, larger pack quantities, a page dedicated to providing inspiration and guidance, and I'll link that down below, and you get a 50% or more discount on retail pricing. So let's get a look and see what's inside. Okay, so here's everything that's in this box, and I keep the boxes to store my finished jewelry. I take everything that's in the box and I store it, I put it in my separate storage bins by color, and that way I can get to all the beads if I need a particular color or different shape bead. I have a video on that, but you can keep it in the box too. All right, so here we have a couple of inserts. So this just describes what I said in the last clip. So it's the Treasure Edition, formerly the regular Best Bead Box. Then here's the Treasure subscription. Discover the new Potomac Beads Treasure Box. This buried treasure box features beautiful bright copper tones, one-of-a-kind vintage check glass, and exotic shapes and colors. So you can create some simple strung jewelry or go for a detailed bead weaving masterpiece or bead embroidery or whatever you like. Here's their website. Of course, I'm going to link everything down below for you. So what comes here is an insert each month that identifies each product. So that's on this side. So here are all the products here. So we'll put that aside, and we'll get a look at the beads. A couple things before we start. I know there's a lot of information, but it's just the first time a lot of information. So each month there'll be 10 recipients of golden tickets. These lucky subscribers will receive a special giveaway, which will be revealed during the live YouTube unboxing by Potomac Beads. How cool is that? And treasure boxes will become available after the month they launch, but at a higher retail sale price. So I think that you can just get the box if you want after that. You have to check the website to be sure, because I'm not absolutely positive on that. All right, so first up, Potomac Pearls 4mm, and look at that gorgeous color. Let me see if I have Comet. 10-inch strand. Pearls are very beautiful, and I absolutely adore that color. That's so pretty. And then look at the copper findings. We've got a toggle, plated toggle, that's 13mm. We've got some plated bails, and we've got some plated ball pins, and these are 38mm premium antique copper plating. So these are beautifully plated, really nice, very nice quality. Love, and I absolutely love the copper. So let me pop those back out. Just wanted you to get a look at the findings all together. Let me take this ring off so it doesn't interfere. Okay, next up we have Potomac Crystal Rondelles 3x4mm. And these are very, very pretty. Doesn't say how many, but boy, there are a lot of beads there. Very pretty sparkle. Next up we have some Ava beads. And these, I love these because they're, I love the matte and then the we've got some luster. But I love the combination of both. I love these colors with the purples and the gold, a little copper, a little blue. Pretty. Very pretty. Next up we have a check glass vintage button. So I'm going to say this is an old button. Love it. That's so pretty. It's small. Does it have a size on it? No, but it's a pretty small button, but it's very pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous for the end of a bracelet. Next up we have stainless steel beading wire, 7-strand. It's by Potomac. It's their wire. Nylon coated stainless steel. So that's nice to have some beading wire. We have Potomac crystal bicones, and these are 4mm in Montana. And isn't that beautiful? I love that color, that sort of deep gray blue color. So pretty. Quality is really nice. Next up, we have some check glass rounds, 3mm. I've got 2 strands here. I guess that's supposed to be 2 strands. It doesn't really specify how many of each bead here. So let's go for it. They're beautiful. Love the black, and I love like this combo together. And then we have check glass faceted rounds, and these are fire polish, 7mm, and that's a nice big strand. Again, that's probably 25, right? Next up, we have check smooth rounds, 4mm. This is like a druck bead. Whoops, it flew off my hand. That's very pretty. I love these colors together. Look at the pretty, you know, these all are coordinated very nicely. Okay, next up, we have some check glass nuggets, and these are 5x7mm, and that's a very pretty color. Love that blue. It's gorgeous. Love how saturated it is. Okay, next up we have check leaves. These are 9x15mm, so a nice big one. It's that really pretty sort of aventurine or jade green, and with the silver veining. Let me see if I can get you a little clearer. There we go. So these are very pretty. These would be very pretty in bead embroidery, wouldn't they? So you get a nice big strand of those. Okay, next up we have these little space saver jars, and you get 5 compartments, and of course you're just going to pop your beads in. I love these. I have many of these because you know sometimes you have leftover beads, you don't know what to do with them, or you put them in a bag, but how cool is it to put them in a little container like that? So love that. And last but not least, Potomac Bead Company logo white bag. Now I'm not going to open it, but it's big because it's, you know, I can't get it on my screen, but it's a nice big white bag with their logo on it, and it's perfect, you know, for groceries. Love it. This is super. I love tote bags. I think they're great. All right, so here you go. Here's your new Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check the website out. I'll put a link down below, as I said, to the boxes, because there's so much information. I tried to give you as much as I could without, you know, driving you nuts. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.